company over 75 years. We have just celebrated our 75 years anniversary last year, 2023. So the brand has come across a long journey together with a lot of assets, we call, like the athletes who has brought this brand up to today's level. And we were engaged with a lot of clubs, federations to promote our product, and also they feel, to use our product onto their day-to-day life and also in different of their events. Besides that, we have four customer who use on day-to-day to their life our product. So that's how Puma has built their reputation with the product and also with the assets, and it is growing day by day in the global arena. The challenges the industry has seen so far, but the challenges are still ongoing. The challenges we can see from addressing to the environment, addressing to the living wages for the worker, the well-being of the worker, and also in terms of the product, the efficiency to increase, then the wastage, how we can more minimize it, and also how we can more involve with the automation. Many of our competitor has started their production with the robotic engagement. Puma management and Puma as a brand is focusing to source more from Bangladesh, and do that, we have challenges. What I have said about the industry itself, it's not like beside anything new for the brand Puma as well. First of all, we always focus on verticality. Currently, our major verticality on cotton and cotton-based CBC or blended fabric that we are sourcing from Bangladesh. We have a certain big percentage as well into the man-made fiber sections. So if we can really focus on this man-made fiber with the verticality, that can add value to our sourcing planning as well. Because Puma always make a strategy for their sourcing from where we can source our product with a more efficient way. We know that Bangladesh is basically focusing on volume product, which is important for the country because we have a bigger capacity where we need volume. In the same time, we need also value-added product. And to do that, it's not that we haven't started. For a brand like Puma, we have also started some value-added product. Definitely, there are a lot of challenges from the country and also the challenges we are facing from EU and different brands. First of all, as a developing country, we need GSP Plus to get the duty benefit access to the EU market. And to do that, after 2029, I think we have certain areas to cover and meet the expectation from EU. As a brand, we are also expecting the same. Otherwise it will be very difficult. If there is any challenges coming from EU, we are also not able to import from Bangladesh. The cost challenges is same for everybody. If you look into a brand like our administrative, our cost has also gone up. We are promoting with a different ambassador for our product, and we need to pay to those marketing events, to the athletes. In the same way, like the manufacturer, the cost of producing the product has also increased, which we all agree. And now, how to compensate it, or how to make the production viable for the manufacturers so that they can also really do whatever is necessary for the manufacturing facilities to meet the expectation for different brand and also different EU or the different countries, whatever is coming on. We plan for our product, and we this product will source from Bangladesh. These are the products we will source from other destination. Then we focus those products within Bangladesh. So it's not like the same product we are sourcing from Bangladesh and our other sourcing destination with a higher price. It is a no-go for a brand like us. Yes, if within the same region with the same supplier base, if we feel that any of the prices is not meeting our expectation, we have a margin to meet. And so if those programs are not meeting from a supplier A, then we check with supplier B or C. If everyone has a same kind of a price, so we stick to the primary supplier. We don't shop around, so we don't go to the other supplier. I don't know whether it's a forward linkage or it's a backward linkage. In any way, I mean, getting the accessories or creams locally, it's always a convenient in a way to use for our production, and to meet some of the uncertainty in terms of different destination, different events, different like holidays. So to avoid all those, and also the lead time that is having. So if we have any trims what we can source locally, that is very convenient. And as a brand, we are also doing a lot of local items. I mean, you name some of the suppliers. Also, there are a lot of multinational suppliers. Many of the items we also source from the local producer. Young generation are very talented. They have all the means to really get information at their fingertips. Basic thing is very important to me. Like basic things I must say, like discipline, dedication, commitment, honesty. The basic things has to be there with any individual for success. Second is doing out of the box, which is very important. Doing within box and doing out of the box has quite significant differences. So that quality if somebody adopt. And then third one, I believe, like learning and unlearning. So it's a continuous process. We should learn from our day-to-day activities. Our learning should be unlearned to our colleagues who has less scope to visit those areas.